to the friendly school, SILJAGON National High School, Mapanas, Northern Samar. Let me take you to a quick tour on how our school had been venturing in this time of pandemic after the end of the first quarter. Cooperation and hard work have been our essential tool in making the dry run and modular learning modality possible and successful. And the initiative and unwavering support of our dear school head is indeed laudable.
Merong mga changes and that changes should be implemented.
The teachers were divided into 6 pairs in reaching out the learners across Barangay Siljagon, Naparasan, Magsaysay, and Quezon. The retrieval of modules and learning activity sheets was set on the 11th of September, 4 days after the distribution. It has been our routine since then. Every Friday is the distribution and at the same time, the retrieval of modules and learning activity sheets. Here are the sample attendance sheets and corrected activity sheets on the dry run. Every endeavor is well managed because of the remarkable monitoring responsibility of our school head, Ma'am Marife Ada. The repair and maintenance of classrooms, the rise and the construction of the new school building, the school campus cleanliness and safety are just a few of her notable accomplishments. And through her connections, we were able to receive donations to wit. Hooray! SILJAGON National High School's opening of classes was done smoothly successful. From printing of modules to decorating the school campus with the Fiesta Sanayon theme, from the first flag ceremony of the school year to the first week of the distribution of modules and learning activity sheets. In essence, the dedication and passion of the teachers were still put forth in bringing quality education for all, despite the irregularities of today's situation.
Dahil gusto siya ng maestro.
Uy, ano yung
Uy, wala yung biyak!
Hindi ko.
Hindi po.
In the middle of the first quarter, we were able to conduct focus group discussion together with the cooperation of SILJAGON Elementary School's teaching staff. We met the different school heads of Mapanas District, anticipated by the district supervisor herself, Ma'am Marielita P. Oreo, where they shared ideas and we gained insights in improving the NPS of our learners. We also had a 1-week in-service training where we learned about the DepEd Order number 31 series of 2020, the milk-based planning for distance learning, guide and tools for IPEPD, management of learning, rules and contextualization guidelines. And our journey stops here, the first portfolio day of the school year, where parents and teachers solicited issues and concerns regarding the modular learning modality, and we were able to give updates on the progress of the learners.